Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope the sound works good. I am trying to record with a new microphone and I hope that works. So today, you know, my channel is mostly smart dolls, but today I have a Barbie made to move. I loved Barbies when I was younger, and well, I thought maybe I would try to buy a made to move Barbie. And I also bought some clothes for this Barbie. So we're gonna open this Barbie. I'm gonna open up this Barbie and look at her. What's my plan if I can get into her? I forgot to bring scissors. I think I can get into her anyway, maybe. Maybe. Oh, I couldn't. I have to go get some scissors. Just wait one moment. There we go. I have gotten a pair of scissors and I'm starting to get her out of the box. Not the easiest task, but I am trying to get her out. There we go. See if I can release her here. Maybe something more stuck in the back here. Yep, we've got more stuck in the back here. See if I can see it and cut it loose. Maybe I can just cut. This doesn't feel as a very nice treatment of her, but I will try. There we go. Now she's out of the box. I have a made to move Barbie before this one. Here she is, all out. And I have this made to move Barbie since earlier, and but I haven't had any clothes for her other than the clothes she came in. So I thought today we were gonna check it out. But this is a made to move. This one is larger girl, and this one is a more petite girl. When I was younger, I'm quite sad that they didn't make made to move Barbies when I was young, because I would have played lots with them. But now they are here and now I will collect them, so my poor wallet will scream. But I thought, because I haven't had any clothes for them, I thought we were gonna see if these clothes fit. I think it's gonna fit this one. I'm unsure of this one, but I thought we will dress them up in this and see if it fits. The curvy Barbie as well. I hope it does. Let's see, let's open this one. Let's open this one. This is the clothing package. See if I can get this out. Yeah, and this one is quite good. You can reuse it and have clothes in there. I think I'm gonna do just that. I am gonna start with this one and get her clothes off. I've never undressed a made to move Barbie. This is my first time undressing a made to move Barbie, so we can see what she looks like underneath. There we have her. So doll nudity is gonna be in this video. Oh, she can bend her legs real good. This is what she looks like without her pants, and we're gonna take the top off as well, because I want to have her in something else than workout clothes. Oh yeah, she can really move. Yeah, let's see what we want to put her in. I think I'm gonna put her in this dress. I really like the look of that dress, so I think I'm gonna put her in it. Let's see if I can get these things free. Oh, the belt. The belt. It's a belt. Can you see it? The belt was quite easy to get free. Let's see if I can get the rest of this free just as easy as the belt. And here we have a pair of glasses. And here we have the dress with flames on it. And because the glasses are like flames, I'm thinking that they are meant for the dress. I was hoping to get shoes, but I don't seem to have gotten any shoes in this. I don't have a lot of Barbie shoes, so I'm gonna have to buy shoes for this girl. I don't want to cut in the dress. Let's see. Let's see. We're almost there. Almost. Carefully cutting. Not to cut in anything else, but... Oh, I like this dress. Oh, I love this dress. Let's put this dress on her. See what she looks like in it. Oh, it's easy. There we go. Let's see. I am hoping this will fit her. Let's see if it does. Yes, it fits. It fits. And put the belt on. Also, I think that will look real good with this one. Yeah, there we go. She's got the belt on. And I'm gonna try the glasses on her as well. Haha, there she is. Oh, no shoes. I have to buy some Barbie shoes, but here she is in the dress with the belt and the glasses. So I am going to cut the other outfit loose. Be extremely careful. To get this outfit loose to see if it would fit my curvy Barbie. I hope it will. She desperately needs clothes. So I hope this will fit her. I hope this will fit her. And this is a t-shirt and a pair of pants. So I'm going to undress her. I do make doll clothes. I haven't made any clothes for Barbie actually. I've bought some. I'm thinking I'm going to do it. I haven't done it yet. Maybe I should try and make some clothes for Barbie. Here she is, doll in nudity. Let's see if we can put this on her. I hope the microphone works, that it isn't too much noise, that the microphone will make a better sound than it's been before. We shall see. See if I can get this on her. Here we go. There we go. See if this fits her. Oh, you can make it fit. There we go. Oh, I need to brush her here. See if I can get the pants on her. They are quite stretchy, so maybe we shall see. Yeah, this fit her. Actually, maybe not the best fit, but it does work on her. So I'm very pleased that she also has some other clothes. This, I think, looks really good. And what I also did when I was at the store, they had these mini fashion packs. So I bought one. So I thought we were going to open this one too. See if we get some fun accessories to this girls. Actually, see if I can open it. Last time I tried to open this on camera, I actually did not put the footage on YouTube because it was so hard to open this. I felt like it didn't open as it was supposed to at all. So opening it was a nightmare, and it seems to be the same thing this time. I think they are supposed to open along this, but they don't for some reason. The plastic just kind of comes off in other ways than that way. I'm just gonna try and get this off. There we go. Sorry for bringing it out of image. Just hard to open it. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. Let's pop it open. Let's see what we get. Oh. Let's see. we can get. This is what we can get, obviously. Let's see what we got. Start with this one. And in here we've got a sticker of a purse. And we've got some cream, I think, or hair gel or mousse or something. We got this little one. And then we have a pair of glasses. A pair of really tiny, nice glasses. And then we have, let's see what this is. We have a lipstick, a red lipstick. Here we go, that was the, let's see what we get, what purse we got. Oh! We got a pink purse, this metallic pink purse. I think this one will go, well, it's quite these colors actually, quite her colors. Let's try it on her. Let's try it on this one. Let's see if we can get it over her hand. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. That looks quite good. And we'll see if she can wear the, yeah, she could wear the glasses. There she goes. That was quite cute. And we can put this other stuff in the bag, because the bag matches the colors of this outfit really good, I think. I'm having problems staying within frame. I'm going to try and do that. So here she is. And here is the other doll. So this is what they got from my shopping spree. Now I know that the next time I need to look for shoes, because they are in desperate need of shoes. But this, I think, looks kind of good on them. So that was all I had for this video. I know this was another type of doll than what I normally look at. I normally look at smart dolls and other BJD dolls, but I've seen these, you know, made to move Barbies, and I've decided that I'm gonna try and collect them and see. They're an easier doll to take with you and to find clothes for and stuff, so I thought it would be fun to try and collect them just for a little while and see what I think of it and just have some fun. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.